Our next exercise is the double leg bridge. Lay on your back with arms down by your sides, knees bent, and feet as close to your butt as you can get them. Now, push up through your heels to rest on your shoulder blades, making your body a perfectly straight line. Stay for 1 second and return to your beginning position. Our progression of the double leg bridge is a single leg bridge on a Bosu ball or pillow. You're going to perform the same movement as before with 1 foot on the Bosu ball, 1 foot straight in the air, reaching up towards the sky, and back down to your beginning position. Push up until your body is a straight line and you're resting on your shoulder blades. Our next exercise today is going to be the single leg deadlift. Start with your feet shoulder width apart, hands down by your sides. Reach down with the right arm to touch the left leg, bending at the waist as you float the right leg into the air and come back to your starting position. We're going to do a set of 3. Go. 1. Keep your chest up. 2. Look forward. 3. 3 with the left side now. Ready? Go. 1. 2. 3. In order to progress this exercise, we're going to add a weight. Reach down with the opposite arm, touch the opposite foot, back up to your starting position. Our next exercise is the basic sit-up. If you don't have a partner, you can put your feet under a stable surface like a couch or table. Put your arms across your chest and brace your core by putting the small of your back into the ground. Using your abdominal muscles, sit straight up and then slowly lower yourself back down. For our last progression, we're going to do a V-up. Put your arms straight above your head and your legs flat out. We're going to bend at the waist, bringing the arms and legs up into a V.